There are many attachments that you can get for your camera to make your images better, and the circular polarizer is definitely one of the first ones you should consider buying. Now, light travels in wavelengths, and these wavelengths can come from lots of different directions, especially from reflections off shiny surfaces, panes of glass or water. A circular polarizer just limits these wavelengths to one direction. From reducing the reflections from panes of glass, water and shiny surfaces, right through to darkening the blues in your skies, it can really start to bring out the colours and the depth in your images. So if you haven't tried a circular polarizer yet and you want to give it a go, I'd suggest going out and getting one. And if you do have a circular polarizer, do you use it a lot, or does it end up staying in your bag most of the time? Let me know in the comments below. Now, if you want to know more about how circular polarizers work, click on the eye in the corner or the link in the description to another of my videos. For more videos, subscribe and make sure you click the notification bell. Also, head over to my YouTube channel where I have a growing library of photography and videography tutorials. I'll see you next time.